Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Jah bless the land and the people, yeah man. Deep within this sacred ground, garden of eternal roots is found. Branches reach, leaves unfold, stories ancient, truths untold. Not by riches, not by might, garden grow in Jah light. Living roots entwined so free, carrying love eternally. Whisper soft, a breeze of peace. Garden song shall never cease. Fruit of wisdom, fruit of grace. Feed the people, heal the race. Shade of mercy, shade of care. Garden shelter everywhere. Every herb a holy sign. Medicine of Jah divine. Water pure flowing still. Garden grow by Jah will. From the river songs arise. Healing shine before the eyes. Generations plant again. Garden heal the heart of men. No more hunger, no more war. Roots of Zion spread afar. Every vine a sacred line. us all. Ever living, ever new. Garden of Jah carry you.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta man, he's so high. A music player man. Hear the pounding in the street. Iron drumbeat move the feet. Calling warriors, calling friends. Rhythm rise and Babylon ends. Thunder echo, bassline roll. Iron drum, ignite the soul. No more silence, no retreat. People march pon iron beat. Sound wave travel, wall collapse. Iron drum, close all the gaps. Concrete crack beneath the sound. Drum of justice shake the ground. Every corner, every lane. Iron drum erase the chain. Spirit wake, oppression fall. Drum of Zion call them all. Through the fire, through the fight. Iron drum a guiding light. Strike the skin, release the cry.
people through the night, not of gold, not of throne, but the heavens we call home. Constellations mark the way, stars declare a brighter day. Every twinkle tell the tale, truth of Zion will prevail. Ancient sail across the sea, stars deliver destiny. Now the people wonder still, stars align for Jah will. Every journey, every dream, stars above the nation gleam. Hope reflected, truth revealed, broken spirit gently healed. Moon and planet shining line, signal now the holy time. Babylon shadow lose its claim, stars eternal still remain. From the desert to the shore, nation rise forevermore. Every twinkle, every light, promise shine against the night. Sky proclaim what must be done, stars unite the hearts as one. Message bright in every zone, heaven write the truth in stone. Drummers beat beneath the glow, stars inspire them to grow. Every singer lift the song, stars above keep them strong. Generations gaze above, stars remind of endless love. Vision pure, never gone, stars of Zion carry on. Shine, shine, endless flame, stars exalt Jah holy name. Glow, glow, far and wide, stars of Zion still guide. Burn, burn, never die, stars of Zion fill the sky. Stars above the nation bright, lead the people through the fight. Never fading, never gone, stars of Zion carry on. Forever burning clear and true, stars above still guide you. Through the darkness, through the pain, stars of Zion still remain.
Na na highly live reggae, yeah, man.
Na 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 na.
Blaze up on the mountain peak, flames of Zion rise and speak. Not of terror, not of war, but the fire of truth we adore. Vision bright, heart ignite, every spirit bathed in light. Ancient prophets whisper still, Zion fire reveal your will. Echo roll across the plain, wash away the guilt and pain. Iron chain them melt away, Babylon fortress start decay. No machine, no weapon strong can withstand your holy sound. Climb the mountain, see the flame, every tongue declare your name. Fear dissolve, courage grow, Zion fire overflow. Stone by stone, wall collapse, truth replace the wicked traps. High above the cloud and rain, Zion blaze remove the pain. Carved in stone eternal law, flames of Zion stand in awe. Generation choir rise together in the fire. Just keep them long, light up the night, shine so clear. Flames of Zion always near, forever burning, pure and true. Zion fire carry you. No more shadow, no more fear. Flames of Zion always Zion fire blazing strong. It burn the wicked, cleanse the soul. Zion fire make we whole. No Babylon can stop the flame. Zion fire call Jah name. Zion fire blaze so bright, shining pure the holy light. Every spark eternal flame. Zion fire exalt Jah name. Never cease. Zion fire bring Jah peace. It warm the heart, it light the way. Zion fire every day, forever glowing, pure and white. Zion fire hold it tight. Me see it blazing morning sun. Zion fire never done. It cleanse the land, it heal the pain. Zion fire forever reign, forever burning, strong and true. Zion fire carry you. It blaze the night, it blaze the dawn. Zion fire still carry on. It rise eternal, pure and strong. Zion fire, Jah song. No Babylon can
judgment day. Zion fire, Yahweh, eternal blazing, pure and long. Zion fire, Jah song. Blaze high, blaze free. Zion fire, eternity. No chain, no wall can quench the flame. Zion fire, call Jah name. Zion fire, blaze so bright, shining pure, the holy light. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion fire, exalt Jah name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion fire still carry on.
Na 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 Zion, yeah man. Song of Zion rise so sweet, heaven melody complete. It fill the air, it fill the sky. Zion song will never die. It heal the soul, it lift the heart. Zion song, Jah drum beat we all hear. From ancient days till present time, Zion drum beat sound divine. No Babylon can silence sound, Zion drum beat all around. Zion drum beat, strong and free, echo through eternity. Every thump a holy song, Zion drum beat, keep it strong. It guide the people, guide the land, Zion drum beat by Jah hand. Forever steady, pure and wide, Zion drum beat, holy tide. It heal the weary, lift the meek, Zion drum beat, all hearts seek. From mountain high to valley low, Zion drum beat always flow. Me feel it in the morning sun, Zion drum beat never done. It shake the chain, it break the wall, Zion drum beat for all. Forever thundering, pure and true, Zion drum beat carry you. Eternal rhythm, steady flame, Zion drum beat praise his name. It rise eternal, strong and tall, Zion drum beat bless we all. Forever sounding, never gone, Zion drum beat keep it strong. It call the children, call the youth, Zion drum beat Jah truth. Eternal rhythm, mighty sound, Zion drum beat all around. When the trumpet sound again, Zion drum beat still remain. Forever holy, never cease, Zion drum beat bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion drum beat show Jah way. Eternal thumping, pure and free, Zion drum beat destiny. Beat high, beat low, Zion drum beat make it flow. No chain, no war can stop the tone, Zion drum beat set the throne. Zion drum beat, strong and free, echo through eternity. Every thump a holy song, Zion drum beat keep it strong. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion drum beat still carry on. Na na na, chamba with coconut, yeah man. Early morning, me still rest on hills. Me light up the fire, me soul it fills. The chalice pass round like sacred rite. Me eyes closed tight, me spirit take flight. Me no smoke for hype, me smoke for ear. Jah whisper truth right in a me ear. Each draw a prayer, each puff a chant. Me reason deep in ganja plant. Me sit pon rock under mango tree. Me hear the ancestors talk to me. Me breathe in love, exhale me pain. Me mind now float like healing rain. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the smoke rise up so gentle. Meditation deep like drum. Rasta heart, here I come. Sacred flame and sacred herb.
Me chant me psalms, me soul disturb. No stress, no war, no fight. Just higher reasoning in the night. Me roll me spliff with reverence. It teach me patience, teach me sense. No rush, no haste, no greed. Just balance roots and what me need. Me see me life in clearer way. Me give thanks more every day. Me see me brethren as myself. Me value vibes more than wealth. The herb reveal me inner sight. Me dreams become me guiding light. And in a silence me overstand. Jah never leave, Jah hold me hand. Welcome to the Ganja Temple, where the rhythm slow and mental. Drum and bass them chant along. Each note a healing holy song. Sacred herb, me heart align. It bridge the space between flesh and divine. No Babylon inside this space. Only love and Jaja grace. The night come down like velvet shawl. Me sit in circle, me brethren call. We reason deep till morning light. We burn the herb, we seek insight. The stars align, my mind expand. Me walk through Zion in a sand. No church roof can hold this vibe. The sky above, me real tribe. Me chant me name, me chant me fate. Me no worry, me no wait. In ganja smoke, me vision born. Me rise again each blessed morn. Me no need palace or gold ring. Me find me truth in simple thing. A little fire, ganja leaf, a reasoning full of soul relief. Me and a herb feel what it do. It bring me close to what is true. No pills, no doctors feel me mind. Just natural smoke and Jah design. Me share me weed, me share me light, me share me joy in the night. And when me leave this earthly shell, me spirit rise, me soul rebel. Me soul rebel. Ganja Temple, sacred ground. Me soul it rise with every sound. Me chant, me blaze, me elevate. Me link with Jah, me resonate. So build a fire, pass it round. Let peace and unity be found. This ritual, me daily bread. Me burn the herb, me soul be fed.
Nah, nah, nah. Jah bless the people, yeah, man. Me wake with sun on me face. Chalice ready in sacred place. Rootsman heart, me nah lose pace. Me walk with Jah, me move in grace. First light hit and me light the flame. Me burn the herb, me call Jah name. Me no smoke, fi run away. Me smoke fi clear, me in a way. Earth provide this plant of peace. A sacrament we never cease. Me connect with wind and tree. This meditation sets I free. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Teach the soul and make it learn. Inna the smoke, me vision clear. Jah whisper truths, me love fi hear. Burn it slow, no rush the vibe. Ganja guide, the Rasta tribe. Me sit on hill, me eye them red. Me mind so clean, me spirit fed. This a healing, this a light. This a Rootsman higher flight. Oh, me no need no doctor pill. This green leaf give natural thrill. Me connect with stars, me float pan sky.
Me meditate and feel Janai. From Ethiopia to Westmoreland, the sacred herb come from Jaan. Them try fi ban it, try fi shame, but still the fire remain the same. Oh. Inhale love, exhale fear. Feel the presence, Jah is near. Inhale peace, exhale hate. Mystic herb, open chakra. Me not chase hype, me chase stillness. Me life a dub, me breath a witness. Every pull a deeper thought. Every exhale show what Jah brought. Mystic herb in a chalice burn. Soul get wisdom every turn. Ganja speaking holy code. Rasta walk that righteous road. Green like hope, soft like breeze. Bring the Babylon to its knees. Me no puffy style or trend. Me puffy truth will never end. Me no flex pan screen or stage. Me flex with Rootsman ancient rich. Me garden full, me and them clean. Me grow the herb like African queen. It nurture me like mountain spring. Me chant a let the naya bingy ring. This herb no make me slack or slow. It teach me where me heart must go. Me reason deep with lion them. Me chant and chant again, again.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion Ragaya man. Me rise up early, sun a kiss me face. Praise to Jah, me start with grace. No nights, just breeze pon the hill. Me cup full, me soul stay still. The fire blaze, me brew me tea. Read from the scrolls, fi set me free. Me plant me foot pon sacred ground. Heartbeat echo like Naya Bingi sound. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Me no follow vanity road. Me build me life by natural code. Me till the soil and plant the seed. Not just herb but spiritual need. Me chant the name of Jah Most High. Him day in the breeze and deep blue sky. Each day a lesson me learn and grow. Rootsman way the only way me know. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Drummer beat, me foot them move. Me in a Zion, healing groove. Me nah run race for the system game. Me chant for truth, not just fame. Me born illusion, me born the lie. Me lift me eyes to the open sky. Rootsman rise in a morning light. We born the darkness, chant the right. Me see me people wake from sleep. The chains break, the knowledge deep. Me reason with elders under tree. Them say son keep Jah company. Me hold the vibe, me pass it on. From generation until Babylon gone.
Me chant and blaze till me days complete. Rootsman rise in a Zion beat. Rootsman rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Rootsman rise in a morning dew. Heart stay clean and purpose new.
Nah, ganja is the medicine, yeah, man. Garden bloom in Zion land, planted by the Father's hand. Every flower, every tree, Zion garden set me free. It grow the herbs, it grow the fruit. Zion garden Jah root. No Babylon can spoil the ground. Zion garden all around. Zion garden, lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden praise His name. Zion garden praise His name. Zion garden, it feed the children, feed the poor. Zion garden always more. Forever holy, never gone. Zion garden shining strong. It heal the weary, lift the low. Zion garden make it grow. Forever fertile, pure and wide. Zion garden holy tide. Me plant me seed in morning sun. Zion garden never done. It bless the harvest, bless the rain. Zion garden heal the pain. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion garden carry you. It grow the truth, it grow the song. Zion garden just strong. It bloom eternal, never fade. Zion garden Jah made. No Babylon can dry the land. Zion garden by Jah hand. Forever fertile, lush and free. Zion garden destiny. It grow the earth, it grow the love. Zion garden gift from above. When the trumpets sound again, Zion garden still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion garden bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion garden show Jah way. Eternal harvest, pure and strong. Zion garden Jah song. Grow high, grow free. Zion garden eternity. No drought, no war can spoil the soil. Zion garden bless the toil. Zion garden, lush and green, sweetest beauty ever seen. Every leaf a holy flame. Zion garden praise His name. From age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion garden still carry on. Zion vibes are in them, man. Gold so pure yet spirit made, crown of Zion never fade. Rest upon the righteous head, guide the living, bless the dead. No vanity, no earthly pride, crown of Zion burn inside. It shine with love, it shine with flame, every jewel a holy name. Crown of Zion bright and true, bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away, crown of Jah forever stay. It come from root of David's line, crown eternal, crown divine. It mark the child of righteous ways, keep the faithful all them days. No hand can steal, no tongue can mock, crown of Zion firm as rock. Glory fall like morning dew, crown of Jah forever new. It shine upon the prophets old, it tell the story love has told. It guide the people through the flame, keep them steady, call Jah name. Every star in heaven bright, crown of Zion share the light. From dawn of time to kingdom come, crown of love for everyone. Me see the crown in vision clear, it says stand firm, don't live in fear. It bless the poor, it heal the weak, crown of Zion hear them speak. It teach the heart to live in peace, it make the war and anger cease. Upon the brow of truth it rests, crown of Zion ever blessed. When the trumpets start to blow, crown of Zion start to show. It shine the way, it light the road, it lift the weary, ease the load. Forever stand, forever reign, crown of Jah remove the pain. Glory burn like holy fire, crown of Zion never tire. Shine bright, shine strong, crown of Zion all life long. No gold of man, no earthly fame, crown of Jah forever same. Crown of Zion bright and true, bless the chosen, me and you. No king of man can take away, crown of Jah forever stay. From first breath till judgment day, crown of Zion light the way.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion is the reggae king, yeah, man.
Open wide the holy door, gates of Zion evermore. Call the faithful, call the meek, bless the strong and lift the weak. No God of hate, no wall of pain, only love can here remain. Every nation, every creed, find in Zion what them need. Gates of Zion open wide, let the people come inside. Flow
never close, no man can say. It guard the path, it guard the song, keep the people moving strong. It echo sound of drum and lyre, burning bright with holy fire. Every gate a blessing you, open arms for me and you. Me walk through gate and lift me head, hear the words the prophet said. It call me heart to live upright, guide me steps in Jah true light. No fear inside, no tears remain, only love we heal the pain. Every stone a prayer so true, gates of Zion shine for you. When the morning star arise, gates of Zion paint the skies. It's open wide for all mankind, bless the soul and heal the mind. Forever open, never close, from the root the blessing grows. Every nation, every song, gates of Zion bring we home. Come one, come all, gates of Zion never fall. No lock, no chain can close the way. Zion open night and day. Gates of Zion open wide, let the people come inside. Flow with mercy, flow with grace. Welcome to Jah holy place. From dawn to dusk, from start to end, gates of Zion always friend.
Na 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 na. Dreadlock swing in your man. What that? Nightfall come, me sit alone. Stars above, me far from phone. One drop beat, me thoughts them slow. Inhale deep and let it go. Chalice in a hand, me close me eyes. Me mind drift to the endless skies. No nights, no war, no city fight. Just Jah light and peaceful night. Fire flicker in a moonlight breeze. Me soul exhale, me spirit ease. Ganja scent wrap round me dome. Me body here but me mind gone roam. One drop dreaming float away into the airy Milky Way. Meditation hold me tight. Ganja light me soul tonight. No Babylon, no stress in sight. Me only need these stars and flight. Me rhythm pure, me heart so free. Me float pan rhythm like ocean sea. Steam rise from the roots of earth. Ganja bless, me feel rebirth. Me hear the rhythm in me vein. Each heartbeat drum like jungle rain. Me no need no riches or gold chain. Just me plant me drum and nature plain. Every puff a step more near to the inner world me hold so dear. Birds still sing in a distant tree. Even them feel Jah energy. Me thoughts them dance in harmony to ancient sound and melody. One drop dreaming, blaze the fire. Rasta chant, me soul rise higher. Me no sleep, me levitate. Me float pan rhythm and meditate. Me leave behind all worldly game. Me hold to love, me
distraction, no illusion. Just me heart in sweet fusion. Me sight a vision, glowing bright of Zion hills and morning light. Me chant of psalms, me feel the breeze. Me soul now sailing across the seas. Every leaf a sacred sign, every breath a link divine. No clock, no pressure, only flow. Me drift where only Rasta know. Me walk alone, but me never alone. Jah there with I, me skin to bone. Me spirit dance, me footstep bless. No more fear, no more stress. Me roll another, me eyes half closed, like mystic priest in sacred robes. The rhythm guide me thoughts align. Me swim through space and cosmic time. Me no run from Babylon, no. Me just float, me eye like cloud. Me voice a prayer, me words a key. Unlock the soul, set me free. One drop dreaming, stars me bed. Reggae rhythm in me head. Me now wake till morning rise. Me drifting deep through moonlit skies. Urban heartbeat blending one. Me soul a spark beneath your sun. Me no escape, me elevate. Me live, me love, me meditate.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, I'm on. Build on stone of ancient days, temple stand in holy ways. Every pillar strong with prayer, every wall just spirit bear. No hand of man but hand of God. Temple rise where prophet trod, from earth below to heaven high. Temple reach the endless sky. Temple of Zion pure and strong, keep the faithful all lifelong. House of prayer, house of peace, bless the world and make war cease. It hold the chant of drum and song, echo righteous all day long. It shine the truth, it guard the flame. Temple stand in Jah true name. No thief, no liar, pass the door. Temple keep the spirit sure. Every stone a sacred word, every sound the prophet heard. It welcome poor, it welcome meek. It bless the humble, heart them seek. It heal the sick, it feed the weak. Temple holy, pure and meek, from mountainside to valley low. Temple light forever glow. It stand eternal, stand divine. Temple built with Jah design. Me kneel within the holy hall, hear the voice that guide us all. It say, stand firm, don't lose your way. Temple bless you night and day. It lift me soul, it calm me mind. Temple show what love to find. Every heart can hear belong. Temple echo holy song. When the morning start to rise, temple glow beneath the skies. It stand forever, never fall. House of Jah command it all, from first chant to final day. Temple show the righteous way. Home of spirit, home of flame. Temple blessing Jah true name. Stand firm, stand tall. Temple of Jah above it all. No hand of hate can break the stone. Temple of Zion keep Jah throne. Temple of Zion pure and strong, keep the faithful all lifelong. House of prayer, house of peace, bless the world and make war cease. From dawn to dusk, from when the morning sun arise, fire blaze across the skies. It never die, it never fade. Fire by Jah always made. From birth of man till end of days, fire keep the holy ways. Light eternal flame divine, fire of Zion ever shine. From heart to sky, fire of Zion never die. Oh, oh, oh,
smoke ganja and drink coconut, yeah man. Me rise up early when the sun just kiss. Barefoot on sand, no place me miss. Coconut tree stretch to the sky. Me sit underneath and me reason why. No need for riches or flashy show. Me treasure the moment, let blessings flow. Me have me ganja, me have me drum. Me have Jah love, me kingdom come. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff, a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. RASTA vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Babylon call, but me nah pick up. Me sipping coconut from nature cup. Them chase vanity, me chase peace. Them want power, me want release. Me woman dancing in the breeze. She wear no makeup, just natural ease. We sing a song of ancient tone. Rasta family, we not alone. Me hear the ocean talk to me soul. Say youth man stay firm and whole. Me look to the sky, me give thanks for life. Through all the struggle and all the strife, me no stress but the news them bring. Me build strength while the bird them sing. Under the coconut tree, me meditate. Feel the earth, me elevate. Smoke rise high like morning mist. Every puff, a holy twist. Drum beat like heart inside. Rasta vibes, me nah go hide. Under the tree, me truly free. Zion echo inside of me. Children laugh in a yard, pure joy. No war, no hate, no ply. Me teach them truth through reggae style. With love and rhythm, we reconcile. Me play me guitar with humble hands. Chant a melody, fi heal the lands. Me nah judge, skin or creed. Me only follow Jah word and deed. Me take a walk when the moon is high. Stars guide me like prophecy sky. Me see me ancestors in the flame. Them whisper songs, them call me name. Them say chant for justice, chant for love. Chant the truth from up above.
fall